Look it!
What's
I
that?
found more books.
Another book.
Look
Look,
here, the bear is sad.
yeah, there's a koala bear on there.
Yeah, he's not getting on the tree yet.
Oh, he's not getting up in the tree, huh? What else is in there? Oh my goodness. What is that?
This is chicken eats beans.
I think this chicken might poop beans. I'll show you how it works.
I see book, back.
That's what he probably says, yep. Whoa, you have to open that one. It's like a present.
This is still like Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, it is like Buzz Lightyear.
And look, it's spaceship flying.
Oh boy, I think that's one of those cars that you shake and then you put it on the ground and it goes.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
And it's one. It's it's eggs popping the chip.
Oh yeah, I bet that there was candy in there somewhere that we'll have to find.
Look it.
What? Ooh, his name is Max Schnell. Max Schnell.
Yeah, it's free. I got free Max Schnell.
You do have 3 of those guys, but I like him. He's a cool race car.
Look
Bless you.
that other one sound car.
Ooh, I like that one.
Look it.
What is that? What is it? Oh, I think it's candy. With a bunny on top.
It's still like it.
Oh, that egg came open too. All the eggs came open. That just means there's lots of candy in the bottom of the box. Here's one that didn't come open. This one has something in it.
One more candy.
One more candy. All right, we'll put in the candy pile. Put it right here. And then we'll put them with your other candies.
Look.
What's in there? Ooh. Ooh, it's a case for your leap pad. Look at that.
Look at the new leap pad.
It's not a new leap pad, but you put your leap pad in it and it keeps your leap pad safe.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Look
What's
at
that?
other Buzz Lightyear PJs.
Are those Buzz Lightyear PJs?
Yeah.
Oh, they are Buzz Lightyear PJs. That's exciting. You needed some new ones of those.
Look at the one more screen.
Oh, another treat. Put that in the treat pile. Sunny. Ooh, what's that?
This is like the Queen shirt doll.
That is a Lightning McQueen shirt. Ooh, what's that? Bless you. Ooh, this says Oregon.
Oh, yes.
Good
Look at
choice,
what's in
Gigi.
here. Look at
What is
a
it?
new present.
Those are cute shirts. Not as cute as this one.
Oh, Madagascar.
Madagascar. Oh boy, you like that movie, don't you? We were just talking about it the other day. Oh boy, Gigi's outdone herself.
Look, it's almost Madagascar.
Madagascar. All right.
Let's get in the movie.
Yeah, we'll put that upstairs too with your other new movie. Oh, this one has something in it too.
It's another screen.
Another treat. Oh my goodness. Better put it in the treat pile. Oh, you've got a little tower of treats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's something.
All right, what else is in there? What's that?
Just free.
Oh, it's a read-along book and CD. We'll have to put that. You can put it in a CD player, and you can listen to someone tell you the story. We'll have to look at that soon. We'll have to get you a CD player for your room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look
Be a
at
clock.
Dora and the Eagle.
Dora and Diego.
Yeah,
Ooh.
Look at this.
That was
Let's
fun.
open the pages.
I think it's upside down. Try it the other way. This way. There you go. Does he have baby jaguar too on there?
Mhm.
Go, Diego, go.
Look it.
Oh, wow.
And the last is look.
I think that's just packaging. It's the last thing. What's that? That's a Toy Story book about the bunny surprise. It's an Easter story for Toy Story. Oh boy. We can read that tonight.
Yeah.
What do you say to Gigi and Papa? Look at the camera and say,
Thank you, Gina, Papa.
do you love everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, so generous, so nice. We'll have to give Gigi and Papa big hugs when we go visit them in a few weeks, okay?
Having a lot of sleep.
Yeah, we have lots of sleeps to go, but when we get there, are you going to give them a big hug
Yeah.
and kisses
yeah.
and a quick high five?
Yeah.
All right, say Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.